Hello my friends, Stark here. Today is the 3rd of December 2017. If you're a subscriber, then I want to apologize for the collapse of video output. All summer long I've been working really hard here at the yard trying to clear it, or at least clear as much as possible, because the city is on me about having a salvage yard within city limits. And honestly, I don't blame them. The place is a little bit of an eyesore. Still, that doesn't help me as a business owner. So in the last 6 months, I've moved almost 30 vehicles off of the property and had them crushed. And now we're getting down to some of the bigger stuff. So I thought I'd throw up a quick video just in case there are any Winnebago owners out there that could use some older parts. This is a 1970 Winnebago. Has a Chrysler 318 engine and a Chrysler automatic transmission, probably a torque flight. She's a big girl. Not too much of value on this Winnebago, but if you need anything, send me a message. Ooh. Dumpster's already full. Anyway, yeah, next stage is to remove the body from the floor and frame, but we'll keep what's left of the grill. Try to keep the windows, trim items, stainless steel. Thank you so much for watching, my friends. Take care. See you next time. Fast forward 2 months, and here's what remains of the 1970 Winnebago. I have her chained to my JCB backhoe. It'll be a slow and cold ride, but fortunately the salvage yard is only 2.9 miles afar, so we'll be okay. Well, having removed the cab and the body, I can tell you that these are really poorly made, and I'm not picking on Winnebago. I'm sure Georgie Boy and all the others are built equally poorly. There's no crash protection. You'd be okay if you hit a car because of the additional height on a motorhome. Winnebagos of this era are built on a Dodge platform, so this is a Dodge frame and Dodge drivetrain, torque flight transmission, Chrysler 318 V8 engine. But if you hit a wall or a larger truck, the occupants would be in trouble. Yeah, it's got a ladder frame, but there was no protection in the cab and in the side. This was so easy to cut away and push over. Mostly it's just 2x1, 2" by 1" wooden supports. Yeah, I don't know. I hope they're building them stronger these days. I don't know. So if you take a motorhome to a salvage yard and it's fully assembled, you'd be lucky to get paid for it. Certainly the yards around here didn't want it intact, and I don't blame them. Too much wood, glass fiber, insulation. They don't want all that. So we stripped it out. I think we did a good job. What would you say, about 80% of the floor removed? Of course, I cut some of the goodies out. Huge brass radiator. I made sure I took that. Alternator. As much of the wiring as I could get. And I've saved some Winnebago particulars, such as the aluminum grill. Alright, it's time. I have my escort vehicle behind me. Let's do this. Alright, we made it to the local salvage yard. Passed by one sheriff car, didn't stop us. And we'll get it over the scales in just a moment.